Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to install LinkedIn in laptop. There are two ways to download and install the LinkedIn app on your laptop. The first is through the Microsoft Store, and the second is through a browser. However, here I'll show you the easiest and quickest way, through the Microsoft Store. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, click Start. Type the keyword Microsoft Store and open it. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. Then, click LinkedIn and click Get. Just wait for the download and installation process to complete. Once installed, to display the LinkedIn icon on your homepage or taskbar, click Start, type LinkedIn, and then click Pin to Taskbar. Now you can open LinkedIn and log into your account or create a new account. That's the tutorial on how to install LinkedIn in laptop. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.